Welcome to Cannes, a glamorous city on the French Riviera, known for its luxury lifestyle, stunning beaches, and the world-famous Cannes Film Festival. It offers a blend of old-world charm with landmarks like Le Souquet and modern elegance along the iconic Boulevard de la Croisette. Cannes is located in the Alpes-Maritimes department in southeastern France, along the Mediterranean coast. It is part of the French Riviera and lies about 36 kilometers southwest of Nice. Our journey begins at the Palais des Festivals et des Congrès de Cannes, a modern venue renowned for hosting prestigious events, most notably the Cannes Film Festival. Located on the Boulevard de la Croisette, it features a grand red carpet staircase and extensive exhibition spaces. The Cannes Film Festival, established in 1946, is one of the most famous and influential film festivals in the world, attracting global stars and filmmakers each May. Together, the venue and the festival symbolize glamour, innovation, and the celebration of cinematic artistry. The IGY Vieux Port de Cannes is a premier marina located in the heart of Cannes, offering world-class facilities for luxury yachts and visitors. With its proximity to the Palais des Festivals and the iconic Croisette, it serves as a hub for glamour and nautical excellence on the French Riviera. The marina also hosts prestigious events, including the Cannes Yachting Festival, showcasing some of the finest vessels in the world. The city is famous for its pristine beaches, which range from luxurious private stretches to inviting public sands along the Mediterranean. The beaches along the Boulevard de la Croisette are lined with upscale beach clubs, offering exclusive access and premium services. For a more relaxed experience, public beaches like Plage du Midi and Plage de la Boca provide beautiful views and a welcoming atmosphere for all visitors. While Cannes started as a small fishing village, it began evolving into a glamorous destination in the 19th century when European aristocrats and affluent travelers began flocking there for vacations. Thank you for watching.